Rajasthan de torrential pani girigna bishi chagadi flood wahin hoigna pani related hatsade magitwita laga motushe. Eastern Rajasthan laga bishibak low-lying areas de flood wabra. Road aro rail connectivity de tiktari hushe gute waterlogging bra bishi bostigan cut off hoigna se. Kobarisab atta districts de flood nishna halat hoigna taka janaisha aro halat severe huan mide army logot National Disaster Response Force aro State Disaster Response Force kan deploy krigna rescue aro relief operations chaise. Air Force standby de rakigna se aro ekta Mi-17 helicopter assist krese krigna janaisha. Authorities bra hundreds upar manukan ki evacuate krigna suraksha chakadi luicheshe. Kobarisab Sawai Matupur aro Pundi de flood halat do biawala se kude Sawai Matupur de 30 bosti upergan submerge huigna main city bra cut off huigna se. Narukigna panikira sat de Surwal Dam overflow hua bra 1 lakh nishna manukan effect hushe. Meteorological Department bra aji yellow alert issue krigna se.
Life is a constant adventure, whether it's getting the kids to school or hitting our favourite surf break or simply making Saturday sports. Life throws a challenge at any moment.
That's why we stepped up to the safety of an SUV with proper four-wheel drive, amazing fuel economy and luxury interior. Oh yeah, and the all-important Apple CarPlay.
The all-new Mahindra Scorpio, engineered for adventure.